Hello everyone, how's it going? This is the Average Guy 1983. Today I'm going to be unboxing the Sennheiser IE40 Pro in-ear monitors. So yeah, let's go ahead and take a look at the box real quick. Now to make things a little simpler, I haven't opened it yet, but I did remove the little plastic piece that goes in the bottom. It's like a piece of tape that's rounded. And I removed it from the bottom of the box to be able to just make the unboxing faster, but I have not opened it yet. So let's get to it. So let's take a quick look at the box, just so you guys can see what you guys are getting for $100. So the box design looks nice. I personally don't really care. I care more about the product that's inside. The presentation is always nice. Let's see, the IE Pro series, you get the, oh, they're telling you about the other products they have available. I'm curious in trying the IE 500 Pro, but it's out of my range right now as I'm trying to save up money and also pay off, some credit card debt to be able to buy another car and trade in my Genesis for something a lot larger. As my kids just had a birthday, they're 14, they're going to be going to high school this year after summer break, and they're getting too big for my Genesis. So I need something a lot bigger, and so they can also fight less. But anyways, let's get back to this. So here's the back. So it has different languages explaining the same exact thing. But since we're here in the USA, you guys can go ahead and pause the video here so you guys can read what it says. Alrighty, and now we're going to go to the back side, or actually the side, get a little QR code that you can scan with your smartphone, and this is the contents. So you get in-ear monitors, the IE40 Pros, you get silicone adapters, which is small, medium, and large, and a medium foam adapter, which is pretty cool. So the little ear tips is you get a medium foam. You get a soft pouch and a cleaning tool. So that doesn't sound so bad for $100. So technical data says frequency response 20 hertz to 18,000 hertz, which is pretty impressive. That sounds about good for, on stage performance, or even if you just want to record stuff, music from your computer. This is pretty cool to have. Or hopefully it sounds good listening to regular music. We'll find out on some other time, but this will just be the unboxing. Anyways, SPL is 115 decibels, total harmonic distortion. That's what THD stands for. It's 0.1% at 1,000 hertz with 94 decibels of loudness. And the impedance is 20 ohms. So that's actually pretty low for these little in-ear monitors. So this is probably going to sound quite loud. Using my Shure SHA900 amp, or even my piano and stuff, because I have a PV Viper 75. It's like an old 2008 or 2007 guitar amp, and it has a headphone output with the 3.5 millimeter jack. And I was thinking about trying it out with this to see how it sounds. And yeah, this I'm not going to be able to do that on on the video because of the fact that I don't want to get copy striked, so I'm really scared of doing that with any kind of music I play. So I'd rather just leave it like that. But that's about it. That's about the only thing you have in the box. In the bottom of the box just has the serial number, which doesn't really matter. The little UPC, and in the top you have a 2-year warranty, and just that's it. So yeah. Anyways, you open it from the bottom, so let's go ahead and open it up now, because I'm kind of wasting time here. Already 4 minutes into the video now, and I'm barely going to unbox it, so I'm sorry guys, I talk too much. Let's take it out real quick and then see what's inside. Come on out. Don't be scared. Come on, you're getting stuck. Okay, there we go. Let's see if there's anything in the box. No, there isn't. That's it. Okay, cool. All right, so this is Sennheiser IE40 Pros. And this looks really nice. I like the packaging. It was a little difficult to get out. It kept getting stuck, but it's probably because all of this is soft foam material, which is impressive. Now, the back of it is just a piece of cardboard. There's nothing special on it. It's just attached with glue. So we won't mess with that. And this is one thing I like about Sennheiser. This is my third pair of Sennheiser in-ear monitors, and I like the presentation that they had. I have these Sennheiser HD58X Jubilees that I got from Mass Drop, and they sound really good. They do lack some bass compared to what I'm used to hearing, but they sound very crystal clear and they have a wide soundstage, so I really like these. So if you're able to get into the Mass Drop stuff and pick these up for 150 bucks, I would highly recommend them. They sound good. I wish they had a close back though, because everyone can hear what you're listening to because of the open back with this little foam material on the backside. So other than that, that's the only downfall of these, but they sound great. These ones here are the IE80s, I believe, and I freaking love these. These have really good bass. I have that little icon thing or that little level thing all the way up. What I didn't notice was just a slight change in frequency, like it opened up the low frequency bass more, but that's about it. The rest has to do with the device that you have them plugged into to equalize it to your liking. And I use these with my SHA900 and my FIO A1, and they sound freaking fantastic. But again, look, it's similar to the way they do their packaging, which is really nice. So anyways, let's get out of this here and let's take off the rest of the packaging here. Okay, so this is just a plain piece of like cardboard type paper with the Sennheiser logo. Let's move that to the side. And in here, you're getting the wire. We'll find out how long this wire is in a bit. And it feels really good, actually. This wire feels very sturdy, but not too heavy compared to the SE215's that are really heavy and stiff. But these work nice. I like that little Sennheiser logo there. If you guys can see it, that looks really cool. And I'm a little concerned about this jacket being a little thick, but at the same time, I'm pretty sure that it'll be less bending, so the wire won't rip so easily from this area here. So that's pretty cool, because a lot of people have that problem with this part ripping. Let's see, let's move that to the side. Okay, so here's the little pouch that we're talking about. It feels like vinyl material, doesn't feel like leather. And that's pretty cool too, the little pocket thing with like wiring on the sides. Closes it up, but it's a little hard to pressure it. And let's go ahead and take this out. Is there anything else in there? Let's turn up the thing. Nope, just nice and soft foam. Okay, cool. Well, let's move this to the side because that's all there is there. And in here, you have your tool cleaning kit to be able to like remove any wax that you may get into the little earbuds. Take a quick look at that. This camera. Let's see. Oh yeah, that looks super nice. Let's go ahead and take a good look at that. That looks really nice. I like that that logo. There we go. You can do it, Sammy. That looks nice. I like that Sennheiser branding. Okay, let's move this to the side. I'm getting too excited over a stupid cleaning tool. Okay, let's start with these little ear tips. Okay, I see the one that's getting stuck is the memory foam one. I think it's a Comply. Oh man, one of them fell. Hold on real quick. I'm so sorry, guys. Let me try to pick it up here. 1, 2, 3, 4. And of course, the one that has a foam fell. Oh, well, I'm only going to show you guys one of each. So let's grab 1, 2, and 3. Okay, so this is a large silicone ear tip. And I like that it has a blue color on the back, so it just lets you identify the difference. And it seems like there's some, oh, there's some kind of like cotton or black foam protectant to prevent getting earwax into the monitor, which is great. So that's going to be very helpful. Or at least a sweat guard from on-stage performing. And then let's get to this other one. Here's a small. And it seems like the small has the same, yep, same thing That's pretty awesome. So that means that the comply foam one is probably going to have the same thing. So let's take a really good look at this one. So this one here is the comply foam, very shiny, and it's extremely soft. So this is going to be interesting to try out in the ear. Because when you're on stage, like for church performances or bands, you do tend to sweat when you're on stage. Oh, this is nice too. It has the same thing. But anyways, yeah, that's it there for the little foam material. Let me pause the video real quick so I can go ahead and get the other piece that fell on the floor. And then we'll get back to this unboxing. All right, never mind. I've been looking for this stupid thing for half an hour and I can't find the foam piece that fell on the floor. I looked under my bed and I can't find it, and I'm gonna have to try to look for it after this video's over, because otherwise my Siberian cat is gonna end up swallowing that thing and I don't need another medical bill for him. So as you guys know, there's pet insurance, but you always gotta pay cash first, and then you get reimbursed like 60, 70, 80, or 90% of your money. So yeah, anyways, let's go ahead and put this away real quick, and so I won't lose the rest of them. I'm pretty sure I'm gonna find it, and if I don't, it doesn't matter. I usually my ears are not that big, so I can use the medium stuff, and I don't really like using the foam material thing because it makes me sweat too much. But anyways, let's go ahead and remove the thing to this. Looks it's about a good 4 feet of length on this cable, maybe 4.5 feet, which is not bad. So inside you get the owner's manual for these, basically just explaining to you how to put them into your ear and removing stuff from it and whatnot. And then this thing that needs to be away from pets or kids if you have any. I have 3 kids, and I have a 14-year-old and a 7-year-old, so twin 14-year-olds, and a cat and a chinchilla. So yeah. Anyway, so this is it. Looks nice. I kind of wish it was more transparent like the SE215's, which I have here. So these ones are more clear and you can see everything on the SE215's. What I don't like about these is this cable. This cable's too thick, too hard, and a little hard to move around. But yeah, let's take a good look at these. Show you guys one of them. Here we go. So that's what it looks like there. Got your Sennheiser logo on there. That's what it looks like on the side there. And hopefully my fingers with these damages around the nails ain't a big deal. I work night shift at a factory that makes windows with aluminum and steel, so I do a little bit of everything to be able to keep my job there. So my fingers are not always going to be all pretty. Anyways, this is the connection, and it looks really cool. I like how it looks. See if we can take a good look at that cable. Come on, we can do that. There you go, Sammy. Yeah, that looks nice. Very easy to remove from this. So in case the wire gets damaged, you can easily replace them. And that's the inside part. So I'm going to be testing these out. And then I'll let you guys know in the same video, maybe in the comments, how it sounds like and how good is it compared to the SE215's. Price range wise, this is the only reason why I want to compare them to those. Because Sennheiser IE80s, those the IE80'S, those were $350, so I wouldn't compare them to those. But these are in-ear monitors. These are for like on-stage performance, and like let's say you have like an external amp and somebody controls the audio from a PA system, where you're either at church or if you're just a general musician performing on stage. You know, this should be pretty good to use. So I'm going to be testing this out with my piano, my sound racks that I have, my PC, and then also my PV Viper 75, which is a 2008 model amp that I've had for a very long time. And yeah, we'll see how it goes. But anyways, that's the unboxing, guys. This is all you get for $100. Let me know in the comments what you guys think of the in-ear monitors, and we'll go from there. Anyways, thank you very much for watching, and again, I apologize sincerely for talking so much, but you guys know me already. I want to try to get you guys the most detail possible on these products, and hopefully try not to miss anything. There will be times where I'll miss things here and there, and then, you know, I get somebody who will remind me, you know, oh, you forgot about this, and be like, cool, point it out. But anyways, that's all you get. So again, you're getting a owner's manual, okay? I'm not even going to bother to check that. But you also get your in-ear monitors, which are here with about a 4.5-foot cable. Very flexible, by the way. Sturdy, but flexible. Very easy to use. Hopefully it won't make any noise. And then, of course, you get your little vinyl pouch that kind of looks like leather, but it's not. And then your ear tips and the cleaning tool. And that's about it. Anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching my unboxing of the Sennheiser IE40 Pro in-ear monitors. And until next time, see you guys, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like the video or dislike the video if you were dissatisfied. This will help me bring you guys better content in the future with my low budget videos. So yeah, thumbs up, buddies. Thanks a lot for everyone that subscribes to the channel. I appreciate your subscription, and it makes me feel good about making these videos, man. So the more people I have, the more happier it makes me feel, you know. So thank you guys, appreciate it. Have a good one.